Okay, let's talk about some of our local issues. Mary, you've been covering at City Hall, several big stories there. One was the Dontre Hamilton settlement. Do you see any reason that that wouldn't pass the council and the mayor's signature?
It's tentative, so tentative $2.3 million settlement in the death of Dontre Hamilton. I would be surprised. The city has had a bad track record when things get drawn out in appeals and appeals of losing even more money. And I think that they're looking at stopping the bleeding in some of these lawsuits that they've had where it's just gone on. And so I think that I'd be surprised. I mean, maybe they'll try to continue negotiating, but I'd be very surprised if
All right, and speaking of lawsuits that have drawn on and on and on, this other one sort of is getting resolved because they've now approved a liquor license for a strip club in downtown Milwaukee.
Right, and so this has been going on, again, for years and years. The city has lost. They already had a $1 million settlement that they approved with Silk Exotic, or nearly $1 million. They've had more lawsuits filed, and there are projections that they could lose somewhere between $8 to upwards of $20 million in additional lawsuits filed over this. Basically, it's considered like a First Amendment free speech limitation. So they approved the club, which will be down the road on Old World 3rd Street if everything goes according to plan. And it's kind of an interesting conglomeration of basically strip club owners who have tried to apply in the past and been rejected and sued have now come together to try to open this club called Executive Lounge is the plan.
All right.